Cobra ka salute. This is my 113th number video, like always and every time with a very important, interesting and hot burning subject. आज का विषय है कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी और धर्मेंद्र प्रधान एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर का इस्तीफा, जो अभी कुछ ही मिनटों पहले हुआ है, जो उन्होंने लोकसभा में खड़े होकर पढ़ के दिया है। ये वीडियो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है बिकॉज ये जो घटना घट रही है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन इंडिया, हर यूथ को, हर पेरेंट्स को वुड लाइक टू नो व्हाई, व्हाट इज द जेनेसिस, ये सब हुआ क्यों, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन दिस इज हैपेंड। इट इज वेरी वेरी सैड डेवलपमेंट which had taken place, and a very very anti-national development which this cockroach Janata Party has suddenly emerged. 3rd मई को पेपर लीक हुआ नीट का, जो कि एक मेडिकल, डेंटल और आयुष के एडमिशन के लिए एक टेस्ट होता है, जो कि कम से कम 22 लाख 22 लाख स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर एंड ओनली मुश्किल से 1,40,000 वैकेंसी हैं इसके लिए। बहुत टफ कंपटीशन है एंड दिस इज सिस्टम बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट colleges probably are not part of the NEET admission system, so the seats are less. There is no shortage of medical college. It is business. It is a capitalist country or a socialist country. You have to decide where education has to be free or education has to be by paying money. Decide करना पड़ेगा. This policy is carrying on number of things which has agitated the parents and the students जब उनका नीट का पेपर 3 मई को लीक हो गया। इट वॉज अ वेरी सैड डेवलपमेंट, बहुत ही क्रिमिनल एक्ट जिसने भी लीक किया है इसको। इसमें lot of stand by parents and teachers and lot many people were involved in this. Why this happened? Because corruption has become our way of living over the last 70 years. Everything can be bought, we think. I mean, we don't work on merit. ST reservation, it's not on merit. कोई भी number of selection where you need reservation. मंदिर में जाना है तो रिजर्वेशन, चर्च का कोई इसमें जाना है तो लाइन में तोड़ने के लिए। So we have, our mindset is totally I mean, it's not working straight. 3rd May was the very sad development. What government has taken decision on 24th July, they could have taken that on 3rd May itself. The reshuffle of जो secretaries, education secretaries, और whosoever was involved in national testing, जो अथॉरिटी है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है ये टेस्ट कराने के लिए, उसमें पूरा रिशफल कर दिया है मोदी जी ने। ये 3 मई को हो सकता था। 3 मई को ही धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी रिजाइन कर सकते थे, जो कि उनका डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है एग्जाम में। देयर इज अ डिफरेंट बॉडी विच इज कंडक्टिंग दिस, कुड हैव हैपेंड, एंड दिस एजिटेशन विच स्टार्टेड बाय मिस्टर अभिषेक दिपके, एन एंटी नेशनल हु केम फ्रॉम अमेरिका, और जो जंतर मंत्र पे डायरेक्ट जाके बैठ गया। किसी ने इसको रोका नहीं, कोई इंटेलिजेंस ने इसको देखा नहीं, कोई ने समझा नहीं कि कहाँ से लोग, बिहार से लोग आ रहे हैं, यहाँ दुनिया भर से लोग आ रहे हैं, क्यों आ रहे हैं, इनका क्रेडेंशियल क्या है, व्हाट आर दे स्टूडेंट्स और आर दे एंटी नेशनल्स। किसी ने देखा नहीं, एंड ही केम एंड सेट डाउन एंड ही इज बिकम अ शॉर्ट टाइम हीरो। दिस एजिटेशन विच स्टार्टेड ऑन 6 June has given, he's revived the dead Akhilesh Samajwadi Party, the Uddhav Thackeray's party, the Aam Aadmi Party, I mean various parties who were dead, whose most MPs and MLAs have joined NDA or about to join NDA during this monsoon session. This agitation all actions had been taken promptly on 3rd May, because this, if it was taken now, when these agitators, all anti-national, anti-social elements were shouting and took nation to ransom. Now, since it has been taken, it could have been taken on 3rd May. Why couldn't think tank and thought about it? Pura wrong message is gone. The 400 handles, digital handles from Pakistan were handling this. They were feeding wrong information. They were feeding wrong media. They were adding fuel to the fire. Pakistan ne kiya. Pakistan, who's already under siege by the agitators of Pakistan occupied Kashmir and Balochistan. India why does India do nothing to destroy and dismantle Pakistan? हम सिर्फ वेद पढ़ के बैठे रहेंगे, उससे काम नहीं होएगा. पाकिस्तान के साथ हमने कुछ नहीं किया. They were asking indirectly, they wanted India to intervene and break Pakistan into a number of pieces, 5 countries. नहीं किया, but they, in spite of all this, उनके पास खाने को नहीं है, उसका पीने को नहीं है, they interfered into Indian affairs, and इस agitation को, it was going out of control. The police of Delhi and NCR region has done a wonderful job, but they had no free hand. Now they have taken out, they've got all the digital signatures, digital face, all the details of all the agitators जो कि बाहर से आए थे, गुंडे थे पूरे, उनका पूरा डाटा तैयार कर लिया है. I hope government allows police to arrest them and put them behind jail, because none of them are students. अब ये गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर है. Now in this complete episode you would see Amit Shah, Doval, Rajnath Singh, and none of these firebrand ministers are in front. Amit Shah ji is totally not involved because he's annoyed probably, because that was not his style of functioning. और नड्डा और जितेंद्र सिंह को उनको इसको रिजॉल्व करने के लिए लगाया है. दे हैड नो चॉइस बिकॉज उनको दे हैड टू परफोर्स डील विद रफियंस एंड lumpen elements who had no education background. They suddenly became hero because they were हमारी डिले, गवर्नमेंट की डिले के मारे, procrastination. They waited, I don't know for what. And these opposition parties who never wanted this monsoon session to start, because there are a number of important bills are going to be passed during this. The most important is FCRA, for the foreign contribution regulatory amendment bill इसमें आना था, because this fund which are coming from deep state of America. Deep State is an organization which is run by Pentagon and controlled by CIA. The Americans are funding it that and pumping money into countries. They are pumping money into India to convert people and to stop the progress of India, because Modi is very popular. He's going all around the world getting businesses here. America doesn't want. It is already announced that what they did not do with China, they will not leave now India to develop faster than anybody. India is developing at the rate of 7.7%. The GDP is going that fast, one of the fastest in the world. And because of our manufacturing and our service resilient the service sector जो है हमारा, and we are the most fastest, we are the biggest market of the world. Modi ji, I request Modi ji, he goes around the world, get businesses here, but if he allows this such type of agitation to time and again survive and run for 20 days, I mean, we cannot expect any foreigners to invest money here, because now this was a test case. Lot of American people in total you can make out they were there in as part of this agitation. The Americans were there. The American CIA people and their all those people, identified people who were supporting this, openly supporting this agitation, openly guiding them, openly funding them, and the Muslim Brotherhood was feeding them food. Everything was directly being paid through money to Tomato or whatever the organization from Qatar, and they were coming in 22,000, 40,000 packages. Why was nobody controlling this? Where is the intelligence agency? Where is our digital network? Where it has gone? This is shocking. It shocks 110 crore Hindus who are rallying behind BJP and Modi ji, because he is the only one who can save India, who can progress India. And those 20 crore Muslims who are at the fence now, these 20 crore Muslims of India are already fed up of Congress, Samajwadi and Uddhav Thackeray and all those parties. They are sitting at the fence. They would like to join Modi ji. So far they have not been voting for Modi ji, but they want to be with him because Modi ji is fair. He's developing all of them. Hindus are rallying behind Modi ji. They would do everything and anything to protect the image of India, the image of Modi ji. But if they jump into this conflict to stop the CJP from agitating, and the riot cases will be booked against them also, because Modi ji wants to be fair. The fairness has to go. You have to be particular, Modi ji. You have to be in India now. You have to first, amend the laws, ensure that 20 crore Rohingyas and Bangladeshis are thrown out. They are all agents here. You have to ensure that Americans do not fund and convert people into Christianity, because they are complete progress will be lost. Please, Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. It is a very good development. You have checkmated the CJP. Now let's see what they do, because violence was going on in Bihar and Delhi non-stop. Police is helpless. Given a free hand, police would have finished them like Amit Shah has finished Naxals from a number of districts of India. It is gone. He's finished them. It is a matter of minutes for Amit Shah, Doval and Rajnath Singh and all those stalwarts. But I don't know, why did it take so long? Why did you give them so much time from 3rd May to 25th, I think, to resolve this? Please, you have to change everything and satisfy 110 crore Hindus. Jai Hind, Modi ji. Cobra ka salute.